Um, Hello there. Once again, welcome back to ITGENIUS CYBER YouTube channel. And today we are going to do something very interesting. How to run or how to create your own commands in Windows 10, or in Windows 7, or in Windows 8 and Windows 8.1. So easy, without any software, without any application. Alright, so let's start from the beginning. Alright, I'm assuming this is your desktop, or this is your laptop, or this is your machine that you're operating on. So it depends what you want to really run directly, or what you really want to create as a command, for which application, for which software, for which file, for which document, anything of your choice. So I'm assuming I'm going to take a folder first. Let me allocate my folder first. So maybe this is the folder that I want. I'm going into subfolders. Alright, I want to have software. So if I want to have software and I want to create a specific command to open it instantly without going into all these previous folders for which that subfolder is contained. Alright, so I want this specific folder, and I want to create a command that is going to open to our software anytime of choice, anytime that I feel like. So okay, what you have to do is to first allocate the folder of your choice. Then after that, make a shortcut of that very folder. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and press that right click, then create shortcut. If I want to create a shortcut within this very directory, then I press create shortcut. If I want to create the shortcut on the desktop, then I'll press right click, then send to, then I'll have desktop, in brackets we shall have create shortcut. Okay, I've already created the shortcut here in this very directory, in this very field. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this shortcut, or in fact, before copying, you can rename the shortcut to any name of your choice, to any name. Alright, I'm taking this as my command that I'm going to use to open to our software once again. So I'm going to choose a name of my choice, a name that will represent that command to open to our software. So I'll rename, maybe I'm going to call it TS. Yeah, maybe let me call it TS, to our software TS. So I rename it TS. So what I have to do is to copy this TS, copy, then go back to your local disk C, then open it. Under local disk C, you go into this folder called Windows. So you paste that shortcut here under the Windows folder. So I paste it. They will prompt you whether you'll need to provide administrator permission to copy to this folder. Then press continue, allow it. So the shortcut is created and it's pasted into the Windows folder. So what we have to do is get back, press Windows plus R to open this run window, or if you don't know how to do that, then go into the search area, then type run, you'll see it as the very first option, the desktop app. Press it, then under the text area you type that very name that you named to the shortcut. So I'll go ahead and type TS, hit OK. So the folder will be opened automatically. If you didn't see that, then I can still repeat it. I said Windows plus R, then TS, because I named it with TS. So if I hit enter, it opens. Alright, this is to the folder. So I'm assuming now it's an application that I want to open. If it's not a folder, if it's a file, you can still do the same procedure, but this time maybe I want to alright, let me see, any software here of my choice. Maybe I want to open VLC. So VLC is already having a shortcut on your desktop, so you can still go ahead and copy it, then open PC, local disk C, Windows, then go ahead and paste, prompt it to continue. After it's done, alright, so this time I did not rename the VLC shortcut name, but if you still want to create, let me first delete it. We go back again. I can first copy it, go back to the drive C under Windows, paste it, then you can also rename it. Then I can call it maybe vPlayer. Yes, for this case prompt it yes to the vPlayer. So I've named it vPlayer. So if I come to Windows R, then vPlayer, okay, they're saying that Windows cannot find V. Make sure you typed the correct name. If you use the caps, then still you have to use the caps. If you still use the lowercase, then you have to still use the lowercase. So I most times prompt you to use only one entire word without space, without having space or any other characters, to say with maybe quotes or dots or commas. So just type maybe vPlayer. Alright. Alright, so we name it to vPlayer, then go back to Windows R, vPlayer. So it will automatically open the VLC player. So if at all it's still a game, you still use the same procedure. If it's a game and you have that shortcut, you can still use the similar procedure to open it. And if it's still a file, it's the same process. Maybe I'm having a file, let me try to allocate one file here. Alright, so maybe I'm having Java programming. This is a media file. It's an MP4 file. This is a document. So for the document still applies, for the media files also applies to the same procedure, and for the entire applications or software. So Let me hope you have followed up very well and you've been keen about all the uppercase and the lowercase plus the characters. I guess you subscribe after this tutorial, and don't forget to leave a comment, and don't forget to like if at all this video has been so important to you. Thanks for watching.